Hello, trading is closed on December 17th, 2014. I'm Tennant. Let's first point out that the target we hit yesterday, 1979.05, remained quite relevant today, which is not unusual. Let's start out after that by going over yesterday's calls. Let's get some of that verbiage out of the way. We had a huge drop yesterday, and I said if it were to continue, we'd have to start right from the open, and that didn't happen. I said I thought we had a good chance of gapping up, taking out these prior lows immediately, and having a good rally. Well, we gapped up, and we took out this prior low on the second 5-minute bar. For me, that's close enough, and we had a 40-point rally. Someone doesn't want to count this because the gap wasn't immediate and took under 10 minutes. I can't argue with them. During the day, mejt had higher and lower price targets here marked by the thick lines, and they were both satisfied as marked by the white dots. Later in the afternoon, it said ultimately lower prices would print. We hit the target, the minimum, but almost always we get more than this minimum. There are a number of negative things in this chart, and let's go over them. One is we had the FOMC announcement here at 1997 cash. We had a rally of 19.97, make that 19.75 handles from there. Usually you have a 3-leg whipsaw where you drop more than that as measured from the 1997 price, and then rally even more than that, again as measured by this price. It doesn't work every single time, but it works a high percentage of the time, an extremely high percentage of the time. That's calling for a retracement. We also have that mejt ultimate signal, which usually takes us under this level, but one really important thing is we have a hole in the wall, a gap. Here's your wall, here's the gap. Almost always within a day or two, the gap fills. We undercut this low of the wall, find support, and then move up. So we have a expectation that over the next day or two, or maybe 3, we're going to have a drop under this low, followed by a rally over this high. So I think that this whipsaw we've been having is going to continue. There's no call based on the mejt system, and I don't know if we drop immediately from today's close, even though it is exactly a 38.2% retracement of the entire drop. But I'm looking for a drop under this low, followed by a rally over this high within the next few days. And that's today's call.